Okay, I know this is a random video, but can you guys hear the rain? Just slightly loud, isn't it? Videos are bad quality. You know why? I don't fucking know. Because it's my tablet and I can't do shit. Ooh, hello, brother. The audience can't see anything. Woo! It's too dark in the room.
It's raining.
And I was like, I need to get the camera. It's so loud. The rain is loud. The drops. As you guys can see, the sun umbrella is full of rain. And the floor as well. Well, there's one little space that isn't covered with water. Oh, now it's getting quieter. Even the neighbors, wow. Shouldn't show too much of outside, even though you guys probably don't know where I am. Well, this was random. I didn't even do an intro. So you guys, guess what? I'm not gonna do an outro.